Hello everyone, this is Monica Jain. I welcome to this session. I will be discuss how to install Python. In this session we can see what is programming, what is Python, installations Python and setup, what is IDLE or interactive shell. We can see what is programming. Programming is simply the act of entering instruction for the computer to perform. Or we can say that a programming language is a set of instruction, commands and other syntax used to create a software program. Programming is a creative task like painting, writing, painting a black canvas. Making software has many constraints but endless possibilities. All the program uses basic instruction as building blocks such as do this, then do that. If this condition is true, perform this action, otherwise do that action. Perform this action, otherwise do that action. Do this action exactly 27 times. Keep doing that until this condition is true. You can combine these building blocks to implement more interactive decision. For a simple program written in Python programming language, starting at the top, the Python software runs each line of code. Some lines are run only if a certain condition is true, or else Python runs some other lines. For example, you might know anything about programming, but you could probably make a reasonable guess at what the previous code just by reading it. First, the secret password file.txt is open and the secret password in it is read. Then the user is prompted to input a password. These two passwords are compared. If they are the same, the program print access granted to the screen. Next, the program check to see whether the password is 12345 and hint that this choice might not be the best for a password. If the password are not the same, the program print access denied to the screen. Now, what is Python? Python is a programming language and the Python interpreter software that reads source code that written in the Python language and performs its instruction. The name Pythons come from the surreal British comedy group Monty Python, not from the snake. We can see how to download and install Python. You can download Python for Windows, macOS and Ubuntu for free at python.org site. I am downloading for macOS so that my file is .dmg file. When the DMG package open in a new window, double click the python.mpkg file. You may have to enter the administrator password. Accept the default option for the next several windows by clicking continue and click agree to accept the license. On the final window, click install. It takes several minutes to complete it. We are see the installation on macOS. Now here a few steps for installation of Windows. Download the Python installer and double click it. Select the install for all user and click next. Accept the default option for the next several windows by clicking next. Install the Python from the terminal. Open the terminal window. Enter sudo apt happen get install python 3. Enter sudo apt happen get install IDLE 3. Enter sudo apt get install python 3.pip. These are the steps to install Python in Ubuntu, Windows and macOS. Now we can see IDLE. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It's installed along with Python. IDLE can be used a single statement just like Python shell and also to create, modify and execute Python script. IDLE provide a fully featured text editor to create Python script that include features like syntax highlighting, auto-completion and smart intent. It also has a debugger with stepping and breakpoint features. IDLE can serve as a second editor. Let's start IDLE. For Windows, you have to click the start icon in the lower left corner of your screen. Enter IDLE in the search box. Select the IDLE Python GUI. For Mac OS, open the Finder window. Click Application. After that, click Python 3.9. click idle icon. And for Ubuntu, open the terminal window, enter idle 3. Next is interactive cell. A cell is a program that lets you type instruction like the terminal or command prompt. The Python interpreter can be used from an interactive cell. The interactive cell is also interactive in the way that it stands between the commands or actions and their execution. In other words, the cell waits for command from the user which it executes and returns the result of the execution. The computer reads the instruction you enter and runs them immediately. The interactive cell is the window that first appears. It should be mostly blank except for the text that look something like this. And here is the end of this session. If you have any queries, you can mention in the comment section. And if you new here, so don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.